Hi, I'm Stewart Mann from the US, and I'm coming to India this August on a Fulbright Nehru Specialist project. One of my activities in Chennai will be leading a workshop in association with the Chennai Storytellers Group for teachers, storytellers, theater artists, parents, and others. It will be a half-day workshop on August 2nd or 3rd. You choose among 4 different sessions, and there will be an optional follow-up session at the end of the month. This workshop will focus on ways to integrate storytelling and drama into the teaching and learning process across the curriculum and up and down the grade levels. We'll look at specific strategies, at different types of stories to use, examples in action, and we'll also focus on how to include and highlight curricular content before, during, and after the storytelling and dramatization. And we might also touch on some particular topics, such as how to use storytelling to promote environmental stewardship or social and emotional learning. These workshops will be full of creativity, growth, community, and the sharing of best practices. So I hope you'll join us.